We can take a PDF and extract the lines from the file, and we can select them and edit them accordingly. All we need to do is drag and drop our PDF into our file. We'll right-click on what we've imported, and then we'll click on Explode in Current View. From here, the settings dialog will pop up. If we click Keep Original Elements after exploding and go OK, it's going to explode the PDF, but also keep the original. Let's say we don't need the original file and we just go Delete. If we now zoom in, we can see that we can select each of the elements individually, from the fills to the lines, and we can adjust them accordingly. The Brick Veneer PDF from this video is available for free over on the ArchiCAD website. Just type in your email and then go click Download Sample, and you'll be able to download a PDF version right here. Then if you just click this button here, and you'll be able to download. The pictures are from this video just over here, where we go step by step on typical brick veneer construction. We cover a lot of the fundamentals in just 3 minutes. This is one that you don't want to miss. Go on, check it out.